Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about my best purchases and actually the gifts that I received, as well as the worst purchases of 2025. And I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. The first one on the list is a jewelry piece from Cleef and Arpels, which was on my wish list for a long time. I think for about 2 years I was thinking about it and I finally pulled the trigger. I just love the diamond range. After I added the earrings to my collection, I knew that I have to add the pendant as well because it's just such a stunning set. It looks so good together and I just can't stop wearing it. I love it so much. And I love the fact that it's so easy to look after it. It's literally stress-free. You don't have to worry about perfume. You don't have to worry about scratching it. And it's so easy to clean it. You can literally just dip it in the hot water with dishwashing liquid and that's it. It's the best. And I just love the way it sparkles in the evening. It's actually one of my most favorite collections at Van Cleef and Arpels. I just love it so much. And I definitely want to add more pieces from this range. It's just so stunning. I also recently posted my jewelry wishlist video, which I'll link down for you in case you want to have a look, because these pieces are definitely a must to have in my collection. I also previously posted another vlog where I compared Diamond Alhambra versus Guilloche. I will also add it for you so you can check it out. Both of these collections are so stunning and so timeless. I definitely feel like I need to prioritize collecting Diamond Alhambra because I just need to have all these beauties. Moving on to a Birkin bag. It's literally one of my most used bags. I love it so much. I reach for it non-stop. It just matches so many clothes. It's in a color gray with gold hardware and in a size 25 in toggle leather, which is also my most favorite leather. It's so durable and just so perfect. I literally take this bag everywhere, from going to office to running my errands. I even traveled with it. I just love it so much and the shade is so perfect. It matches everything. Initially, I was a bit worried that this color is quite delicate and I also didn't have any twillies for it. The handles did not change its color and the bag still looks brand new. It's very spacious, it can fit a lots of things and that's why I love it. And it's so easy to get inside of the bag. That's why I love this design. It's just so practical and I can bring all my essentials with me. If one day I became a hardcore minimalist, that would be the only bag that I would keep because the color is just the best. It goes with absolutely everything and it's so classic and timeless. And I definitely want to add other colors. I want to have a tube, black. I really love Caban. It's a stunning shade of blue. And actually there is another shade, Blue Nuit, which I previously talked about. But I actually feel like Caban will match a lot more outfits. But I will still think about it. All of the shades are absolutely stunning, but I have a lot of clothes which is pretty dark. Sometimes it looks almost like black and I feel like Caban will match them better. By the way, the sweater that I'm wearing is also one of my favorite purchases. It's from the brand called Khaite. I just reach for it all the time. And the next one is not a luxury ready to wear, but I just love this one so much. I had to add them because I reach for them all the time. I love Sandro, I love their clothes. And if in the future this set will come out in different colors, I will definitely buy them because they are the best. Especially in the times when you are rushing somewhere, you don't have the time to think, you can just easily grab them and they look stunning. I always get a lot of compliments whenever I wear them. And next up is another piece that was actually an impromptu purchase. I just walked into Celine and I noticed the sweater right away. I just love the texture, the color. I'm just currently obsessed with this shade as well. And of course, it matches my new Birkin bag. It matches so well with my Valentino shorts. I actually have been wearing it literally non-stop. It's so comfortable and it also looks quite nice with my jewelry. I will link down below the shopping and the unboxing vlogs in case you want to check them out. And here is another gorgeous sweater, and I have been wearing it non-stop as well. This one is in a size extra small. It runs a bit loose, but I just love that fit and I get so many compliments whenever I wear it. It's so easy to style it and it's very comfortable as well. And it's perfect for aircon places. I love wearing it when I'm going shopping or going to cinema. It's quite freezing inside. I would definitely buy it again in a heartbeat. It looks fantastic with various jeans and trousers, but my favorite look is with these navy blue shorts from Sandro. They perfectly match the logo, which is so nice. And I also wear my Birkin bag in the gray color. And I think the Birkin in Caban would match it perfectly as well. And the next one is my absolutely favorite perfume by Hermès, Twilly Ginger. It has this spicy, refreshing scent. And this year, I actually ended up finishing 3 bottles. I did not realize that I use perfume this much, but yeah, apparently I did. And it's not like it's my only one that I use, but I have been reaching for it a lot. I need to go back to the store and buy another one. I actually recently got this one. This is a new type that I have not tried before. The scent has ginger, orange blossom, as well as sandalwood. It's spicy, vibrant, it's elegant and yet casual perfume. And the next up is another perfume, and actually I ended up finishing the bottle last year, so I had to buy a top up and I just love it so much. It has sage, grapefruit and earthy tones. The scent is fresh and airy. It just feels like an ocean breeze on a bare skin. This perfume smells like happiness. I think it's perfect for everyday wear, especially in spring and summer, or any time when you just want to have crisp and uplifting scent. I actually was trying to be very mindful this year and I was hoping to not to have any regrets at all, but I was wrong. I still have one. I actually ordered this Mary Jane's from Tod's, which is stunning. I have to say I love the design and the quality, it's pretty good. Actually, the brand has very nice shoes. They feel comfortable and I think in the future I will buy from them again. The color looked so different on the website and the brown is my new favorite color. I have been buying lots of clothes in this shade and I was looking for a perfect pair of shoes, but they look a bit more burgundy. It's a stunning color, but I just don't have it in my wardrobe. And right now I'm pretty demanding of what I want to keep. I'm actually in the process of donating quite a lot of my clothes. I think I will be able to donate about 50%, that's for sure. So I no longer want to have items that I'm not using in my wardrobe, and I don't want to buy a whole bunch new things just because of this pair of the shoes. So I definitely will have to return them. I would love this in a cream or any other color that I already have. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you liked this vlog and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!